Ant on my ankle, bear on the bed, cat on the carpet, dog at the door, envelope for the elephant, fruit on my fork, goat on the grass, happy hen in the house, insect on the ink pot, juice in the jug, king with a key, lion on a letter, monkey with a mug, numbers in the nest, orange octopus is old, pumpkin in the pan, queen under the quilt, rabbit jumping over the rope, sun in the sky, tiger under the tree, uncle under the umbrella, vase painted on the van, whale in the water, X-ray, yolk is yellow, zebra in the zoo,